Hey, how's it going, guys? Usud here, and you're gonna learn about for each method in the map object. What it does, it execute a private provided function once per each key or symbol pair in the map object. So, let me show you. When you do that, use function log map elements and value key comma map. When you do that, after that what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use the backtick string and make it as an array, and inside that use the dollar symbol with the dollar symbol and object key. After that what we're gonna do is equals use the and value. So this is what's gonna happen after that. And now new, use the map, and inside that what we're gonna do is pass an array of array, and foo comma 3. After that another array bar and beside that another object. Beside that what we're gonna do is another array which will be buzz and undefined. When you do that, now what we're gonna do is use the for each method, and what we're gonna do, pass the log map elements. When you do that, it's gonna execute every one of them as an array. So it's an array of array, that means it's gonna show every one of them. So when we do that, see, it's gonna showing that everything. It's an object, foo is a 3, and it's undefined. This is what it does. So be sure to check out my more tutorials about maps, and that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.